Welcome to Good Thoughts Podcast. I'm Joan Epler. Today, we're going to talk about the new science of quantum biology and how it transforms us into greatness. Join me with Dr. Gary Epler, founder of Eplerian Life Philosophy.
I'm Dr. Gary Epler. I've discovered that quantum biology transforms us from primitive instinctive thinking to ingenuity and greatness.
How does quantum biology transform us?
We begin life as primitive beings relying on instincts for survival, and after that first year, quantum biology transforms us to successful adults. The old story about the difference between animals and humans is that humans can think is gone. There's a new, better story. Higher level animals have feelings of kindness and giving, and humans use the prefrontal lobe brain to connect to the mind.
What animals have feelings?
Quantum biology shows us that higher level animals have kindness and giving because this comes from the heart, not from the primitive brain. We have a golden retriever in our family who is always kind and giving from the heart. Therapy dogs, rabbits, dolphins, and even horses can be kind.
How does quantum biology produce kindness?
Through quantum tunneling, which means an object or energy can pass through an obstacle instantly. That's why some golden retrievers are kind and giving. For humans, people several feet away from you can feel kindness from your heart. This is a wonderful quantum biology principle.
Taking this further, how does quantum biology make us human?
Quantum entanglement means two distant objects are connected. We have a prefrontal cortex located above the eyebrows. No other species has this brain region, and quantum entanglement connects the prefrontal cortex to the mind, which is the universe outside the body containing all information and knowledge. We can use the mind for creativity to help people and innovation to build new products and new companies. The mind is also where courage, attention, and resilience reside.
How does quantum biology automatically exclude stress in our lives?
It's quantum superposition, which means that an object can be in one or more locations at the same time. Superposition means that you can think from your heart with kindness, the gut with risk management, the body with strength, and the mind with innovation all at the same time. And this automatically excludes stress.
That's impressive. How does superposition eliminate stress?
Live in the mind in a slower brainwave state, and superposition excludes stress because stress and other harmful primitive brain thinking occurs at a higher brainwave frequency. It's not possible to think from two brainwave frequencies at the same time. That's classical physics. You don't have to think about stopping harmful thoughts. When you're in the mind, you can't have thoughts of anger or stress or harmful thoughts of worry, guilt, or judgment.
Slow down the brain waves and live in the mind. Kindness is from quantum tunneling. Living in the mind is from entanglement. Thinking from the heart and the mind at the same time is superposition. How does quantum biology make us human?
It's the quantum observer effect. This changes quantum biology into reality and reality into quantum biology.
How can we use the quantum observer effect in our daily lives?
At first, it may seem strange, but it actually works. If you see someone arguing in a restaurant, then you feel stress because this is classical biology. Don't look and you have no stress. That's the quantum observer effect. Other examples include you don't listen to criticism or negative conversations about yourself. There is no anger or stress. You don't think about a problem. There is no problem. My favorite one is that don't think about a mistake or rejection or failure. It didn't happen. This is because there are 7 acute memory slots lasting 15 to 30 seconds. If you don't think about that mistake or bad event, then it doesn't go into the first memory slot and there is no memory of the event. 2 or 3 hours later, what mistake did I make? The mistake or failure did not happen.
Quantum biology transforms your life in a good way. Do you have any closing comments?
Quantum biology enables us to be our true, authentic self and be human with kindness from our heart and ingenuity from the mind. Quantum biology gives us optimal health and a life filled with high energy, maximal performance, and enduring joy.
This is Joan Epler and Dr. Gary Epler closing this Good Thoughts podcast. Best wishes for good health and a great day.